What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So clearly, as you can see, we are doing a makeup tutorial, so we're just going to jump right into those eyes. So I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 03, and I'm using that first to just make that my base, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, if you just follow along, you'll understand where I'm going with this, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I'm going in with my micellar water and a Q-tip, and I'm going to pre-cut my crease. I love to do this because it gives me a like really defined cut crease, and you know, just snatch that crease, okay? It looks real professional. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I know a lot of people use the Vaseline to do this, but I like to do the micellar water because it does the same thing, okay? And these are cute little Q-tips. I got them from Walmart. They're like, I guess they're beauty Q-tips, and they have like pointy ends. They also have ones that have like a flat end so that you could cut your crease. And do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Skin, do you see that? A clean, crisp cut crease is what we're finna do, okay? And so now I'm going back in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 01 blank canvas, okay? And I'm just cutting that crease for where I'm going to start laying down my eyeshadows. So before we do get any further in this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Can't stop, hey, won't stop, okay, dun. Yes, we even lit while we doing a makeup tutorial, okay? Don't play with me. So now that I'm done cutting my crease, today's palette we will be using is the Winky Luxe Kitten palette by BoxyCharm, and I'm just using like this little holographic color that is actually called Holographic. And I'm just going to put that all over where I cut that crease. So the reason why I used the two different bases was because I kind of wanted that first base to blend in more of my skin, but as y'all could tell, that base was a little white too, so that's neither here nor there. But the second base that I use when I use this Rumor blank canvas base is really just to make sure that the shadows I'm putting on, that they pop, okay? We popping every single time we go out. Pop. Stop playing. Alright, so now we will be using these Suva Beauty Hydra liners, okay? And I'm using 3 different shades today. And with these Hydra liners, I'm just going to be basically creating a winged liner in a sense. Well, not really a winged liner, but just outlining my cut crease. So that first shade that I'm using is the white shade. It's called Space Panda. The second shade, this pink shade, is called Watermelon Felon. And the last shade I'll be using is like a yellow shade, and it's called Dance Party. I'm so sorry that in like most of these clips, like due to how bright that eyeshadow is, you really can't see what's going on, but you get the gist. You feel me? You get the gist. And I'm sorry if I'm the most lit makeup person that you see, okay? Just subscribe, because we always like this, 24/7. So now I'm just going to be applying my false lashes, you already know. And what I like to do is I like to, you know, put some clear lash glue on my, like, closest to my lash line as I could get it. And then I go in with some hair glue. Don't shoot me, okay? I go in with some hair glue because this just really gives you that ultimate stuck like Chuck type of vibes that I'm trying to have. You feel me? Like, I'm trying to have a roller coaster, you can't even blow me off. And yeah, just a weirdo. Don't act like y'all don't do that when y'all trying to dry your lashes off, okay? But like I said, when you apply your lashes like this, your lashes will be stuck like Chuck, and a category 5 hurricane couldn't even blow them away. All right. And I do have a lash video, and I will link that. Okay, I will link that for you guys. Yes, to putting them lashes on camera. Okay, so now we're going to be getting into this face. So, girl, you need to slow your roll. Okay, slow your roll first before you even get there. Primer. Okay, so we'll be using the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Oops, sorry. This primer is so annoying, like, for application purposes, because it's just like a big glob of gel. So it's just, it sucks putting it on because it just gets everywhere. But as you guys already saw, for foundation, we'll be using literally my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade 13 Chestnut. That was a mouthful. I be ODing with the foundation. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, I really just be, I don't even be needing that much, and I just be doing too much. For me, it's kind of like better safe than sorry. You feel me? But the reason why I can't like pump it and I gotta be all ghetto and like, you know, twist off the cap is because for some reason the cap is not working. So I'm about to get all my money's worth out of here. So I just untwist that cap, put it on my face, call it a day. And I just really love this foundation because it is super full coverage, and it just, you look flawless. Okay, you look flawless. For concealer, I'll be using, once again, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade 0910. Once again, this product just works very well, and I love how diversified it is, to where that I can use it as a foundation or I can use it as a concealer. I know that they did come out with actual concealers, but whenever I go to the store, they never have my shade. You know, sucks to be black. But yeah, they never have my shade, so this is just what I've been using, and I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna speed right through the blending because that's what takes the longest. I like to blend with a wet beauty blender versus a brush because I kind of feel like, for me at least, the beauty blender actually like allows me to get the most out of all my product, and it kind of spreads it evenly. I feel like when I use brushes, it kind of leave it patchy, and I don't like that. No, I don't like that. I will be setting my concealer with my Black Opal Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. I got this from Walmart, and baby, I haven't turned back ever since. Like, I will not go buy another setting powder because this one like works right for me. Like, I tried Airspun to reblay. I've tried Laura Mercier to reblay again. Maybe, I don't know. I know a lot of people vouch for Laura Mercier, but I didn't know she had different shades, so maybe that's why I don't like her, because she translucent, and baby, I'm a brown skin girl, so yeah. Now for contouring, we will be using the NYX Conceal Correct Contour in the shade Deep. Lately, I've really been liking the whole contour look, you feel me? Like, I like to look real chiseled, real, you know, like fancy Squidward-ish. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. The hardest part, I would say, that is for me when doing makeup, I would definitely say that is contouring my nose, because you can really over contour your nose real quick and it'll just go left. And you can under contour your nose. I mean, you can fix an under contour, but if it's too late that you notice that you under contour, then like, you know. So y'all tell me down below what's like y'all the hardest part of makeup for you. And now to set that cream contour, I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Another hard part, I would say, for makeup for me would be knowing which eyeshadows to kind of mix together. I'm still learning that. And now to sweep away that excess setting powder, I'll be using my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium. So something that I started doing with this is I would swipe it away, but now I kind of start to stipple it inside of my skin. I stipple it and then like kind of stipple swipe in like the same type of motion, so that it doesn't sweep all the product away. I don't know if that happens to anybody else, but it happens to me quite often, and it gets me hot, okay? It gets me angry. For blush, we'll be using the NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Red Riot. Lately, I've been really ODing with the blush. Like, I just been going real heavy-handed, and we all know black girls don't blush. And I just been going crazy, okay? Like, Krusty the Clown type of crazy. Like, and I need to slow down, okay? Gots to slow down. For highlight, I'll be using my Artist Couture highlight in the shade Diamond Glow. And as y'all see, just a hot mess. Like, the top had came off, and it was just a whole lot, okay? And my favorite part of makeup will forever and always be highlighting, okay? Y'all got to see me when the light's off. That's how I look at it. Y'all may look at it like, oh, this is too much. No, y'all need to see me with the lights off. Make sure you get that nose, girl. And then, of course, I make sure to kind of do the outline of my top lip. And then I like doing my Cupid's bow as well. It looks weird, but it makes it pop, okay? So we're here for it. And now for lip gloss, I'll be using my Orza Beauty lip gloss in the shade Champagne Cocktail. And that will basically complete this look. I mean, I hope y'all enjoy watching me create this look as much as I enjoyed creating it, because if I do say so myself, I looked good, okay? I looked really good. And sometimes simplicity is key, you know. You don't always have to be extravagant. But yeah, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang. Can't stop, won't stop. And we out. Look, stay cute, okay? Stay cute.